Hi, family. What better way to start our 5-day juice challenge than to visit a local farm here called Two Farms, One Dream, and to spend it with friends Samantha and Jillian. We had such a blast. We had time to chit, chat, and also to share our plans and to encourage each other on this juicing journey. So we got home and we washed our veggies. See, I had to save the root of my celery because, yes, you can plant it. We don't want to waste things around here, guys. So we plant back a lot of our scraps. And then we washed our celery, getting all the dirt and sand out of it. And I also washed my spinach and parsley and cilantro, cucumber, and I decided I was going to make a green juice because I wanted to include our diabetics to let them know that it's easy to juice. Yes, the main thing is do a ratio of 80% vegetables with 20% fruit, and you should be good to go. But also, always check your blood glucose levels. So I'm adding green apples and lemon to my juice, and it was so delicious and nutritious. If you're seeing one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you can get updated on all the latest recipes. So hit that notification bell as well. And yes, guys, I love to use Anama J2 juicer. And if you put in the code when you go to their website, namawell.com, and if you put in the code Michelle B10, then you can get 10% off. Yes, savings is savings. And guys, this juicer is the best juicer. So this juice was so delicious, so refreshing and healing. I hope you try it. If you also click in the link below, you'll also see a link so that you can sign up to get all my recipes and your shopping list. Thank you, guys, and stay tuned for tomorrow.
Nutritious, healing on the body. The spinach is great for skin. It has vitamin A and it has vitamin C, great for building strong immune system. It has vitamin K for blood clotting and for bone health. It has calcium, it has iron, good for building good hemoglobin level and iron. And this is so good for you, so healing on the body. So delicious, so nutritious. This one is low in sugar, so a juice like this is great for people who are diabetic. And the beauty about it, what you can do is up the green apple if you want, or you can substitute with pineapple, sweeter fruit, pear, but you can customize this base recipe to suit your taste bud. But you're getting all the nutrients in it. The lemon is good for a strong immune system. Vitamin C contains lots of vitamin C, and there's celery, and good for your blood pressure. And so this is our first day, and I'm excited. Stay tuned for tomorrow, our second recipe. And don't forget, the parsley is good for your kidneys, and also it has cilantro. That's great for removing heavy metals from the body. Apple is great for gut health and it's very healing on the body. So cheers. Super nutritious. See you tomorrow. All right, back in cutting. So hi guys, I'm here with my friend Lisa, and Lisa, say hi.
Love ya.
Lisa is going to taste the green juice that we're doing today. I did add a little pear to this one. So the regular one has the apple, This one has the pear, but it's the same recipe, and Lisa is going to taste it.
And I can't wait.
And
I watch it every day and going, I want some. I want some.
So this is green. You see, that's all spinach, all the green stuff in it.
Awesome.
Alrighty.
Alrighty, let's do it.
Let's do it, Lisa. Could you drink that?
That stuff is so good. I like that it's not sweet.
It's not sweet. It's not sweet. You taste it's not sweet.
This is awesome. To my health. Thank you.
Cheers to our health.
Awesome.
Thank you, Lisa.
It was good.
Alrighty. Thank you.